All right, welcome back everybody to another episode of Howell Farms. Today, we're gonna go refresh our mineral site that we did a few weeks ago. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it above, so you can go check it out. We're gonna go refresh it and pull the camera card. We'll try to ignore the four-wheeler sounds. It's pretty loud, but we got to go all the way over there on the other side of this cotton, so let's get after it. All right, now that we're back in the woods, check it out, guys. They have been digging through this dirt, trying to get all that mineral. Look at that. They're going to town out here. So, let me get the bucket, let me refresh it. All right, like before, got the same mixture. If you don't remember what this mixture is, go check out the previous video. I'll link it above right now, so you can go check it out. Let's pour it on a stump. All right, there we go, guys. I'm gonna go pull this camera card, and I'll see you guys back at the house because I'm gonna check the card and we'll talk about the deer that are on it. Card locked. Hopefully we got pictures and we didn't just waste our time. All right, I got it to where it said card unlocked. It's showing we can take 1,549 pictures. I'm not real sure what happened with the other card. Let's hope this one hangs out and stays good. It's got about 50% battery life left, so I'm gonna let it go till we come back and check it again. But it's weird, I don't know why it said card locked. The card's not locked. I've never had anything like that happen, so I just hope there's pictures on it. All right, one thing I'm gonna say though, I give props to this farmer that farms all this cotton. He has bush hogged a trail all around this field, so it makes it super convenient for me to come check this. Last time it was not like this. It was a mess to try to get back here. So I'm very thankful he did this. Thank you, farmer. All right, now that we're back at the house, and obviously it's a different day, I got different clothes on, just finished cutting the grass, but finally got time to sit down and look at this footage, so let's hop into it. Now, we don't have a bunch of bucks, but we do have a couple young ones. They're running together in groups, so y'all sit here and just enjoy the footage of the couple bucks that we have. Well, there you guys go. There's an update on our mineral site. We have a bunch of does that are using it. We have a bunch of bucks, but they're all little. They're young bucks, but hey, at least we have bucks in the area. So hopefully during the rut, some more will come into the area and assert their dominance. We'll get a chance to kill them. Well, until next time, y'all say a prayer for our country and pray for our men and women in uniform. All right, as y'all can see, I'm wearing Kosas again. Kosas showed up and outdid themselves. They actually replaced my entire pair of glasses since it was cracked right here on both sides. Just normal wear and tear. I've had terrible luck with Costas frames. They always break on me. I love their glasses, but you guys got to do better. You replaced my pair this time, but let's see if they hold up. Also, I wanted to show you guys my cool sticker on the side of my truck. If you guys ever see it, take a picture of it, let me know.